Hi, welcome to Megamed.in. Megamed is an online medical device supply company. We supply critical care equipments and mobility equipments pan India. Today we'll be showcasing one of the best and affordable Bipap machines from BMC Medical. BMC Medical is a leading brand manufacturing sleep and respiratory care equipments with experience of more than 20 years. Model which we'll be discussing today will be BMC G3 Bipap machine. This is the latest model from Bipap from BMC Medical with all the advanced features, and there are two variants of this product available in Indian market. First one is BMC G3 30VT and the second one is BMC G3 25VT. Now let's discuss the clinical features of this model. This model has major 4 modes: CPAP, S, T, ST. And then there is advanced option to use ST mode with pressure support and tidal volume delivery. And it is just a better mode of ventilation in Bipap machines. Pressure range is different in both the variants of this product. BMC G3 30VT has a pressure range of 4 to 30 cm of water in Bipap modes, 4 to 20 cm of water in CPAP modes. And BMC G3 25VT has a pressure range of 4 to 25 cm of water in Bipap modes and 4 to 20 cm of water in CPAP modes. Now, the only difference in the variants of this product is the pressure range. Rest all features are exactly the same. Now, another clinical feature of this product is that you can set inspiratory time. In this device, there is an option to set TI minimum and maximum. Now we all understand that this is a medical device, so your physician will let you know that what mode, pressure and inspiratory time has to be set on the machine. Now let's talk about the comfort features of this device. So it has an inbuilt humidification, and which is very easy to open and refill. It's just a knob which you can open and refill the water. Now there are multiple control for humidification, and there is an auto option as well if you are not sure which option you have to use for better humidification. Preheating option is also available in this product, so you can preheat the humidifier before starting the therapy. It makes it more comfortable at the beginning. Now auto on and auto off options are available as well. So let me explain the auto on and off, how they work. So to start the machine, all you need to do is connect the tube, wear the mask and start breathing. The device will sense it and it will start running automatically. Now just to turn it off, when you have to turn it off, just remove the mask and leave it there. Device will automatically stop giving air in some time. Now leak compensation is also there, so in case there is a leakage from the mask or from the tube or anything else, then machine will compensate that leak to ensure better therapy. Now let's talk about the maintenance of this device. Now you have to clean filter every 15 days and you have to change the filter in every 6 months. Change your mask and tube every 6 to 8 months for effective therapy. Clean humidifier in every 15 days. Make sure that your outer unit is completely clean. Try to clean it with a damp cloth. Now if you want to order this device, please follow the link in the description, or you can place order on phone and WhatsApp as well. The phone number for that purpose has been given in the description as well. So you can call that number or drop a WhatsApp, or support specialist will help you out. Now if we talk about the delivery time, so for major cities in northern India, we deliver in 3 days. For rest of India, we deliver in 4 to 5 days. There are multiple shipping options available. In case you want express shipping, you can talk to a support specialist on the number given in the description, and they will help you out. Now we have multiple payment options available as well on our website. You can choose from card, net banking, UPI, or from EMI options. There is a cash on delivery option available as well. Now in case you have any questions about the devices, in case you want to understand what fits you better, you can talk to our support specialist in case of any concerns or questions. For service, all the details will be provided on the website, and you can contact our support representative for that as well. So thank you for your time. Have a good day.